Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Okay, today we're going to make another delicious Filipino dish. Man, I'm excited. Mang luluto tanyong nangyong nang beef steak. As you can see, this is going to be very simple but yet tasty. We have sirloin beef already prepped, which is nice and juicy, not tough like stew beef. It's a sirloin cut. We have soy sauce, fresh lemon. We have our onions and our fresh garlic and black pepper. Okay guys, this is going to be delicious. Masarap. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to prepare our marinade, okay? I'm going to put a little oil in here. As you see, I already put some oil in here. Okay, it's going to help coat. We're going to put our fresh garlic, okay? We just want to toss it up a little bit because we want all that to coat nicely. We're going to put our black pepper, sprinkle it nicely over, okay? And our soy sauce. Try to pour that nice and evenly. Okay, nice and evenly. Okay, you see that? Excellent. Now we're going to put our nice fresh lemon. Now I have this to capture the seeds. This is a strainer, just a regular strainer, guys, and I'm just going to capture my seeds. If anything comes out, at least I don't have to worry about it falling into my nice meat. You see that? Alright, we're going to do 2 halves. Okay, this is 1 whole. I cut it in half, so this is another half. I'm just spreading it all nice over there. Look at that, you see? Okay, excellent. See, I got my seeds captured? That's what you want. Alright, that seems to be around. That seems about right. Okay, we put this over here, and I'm just going to toss it nicely. This is going to be a nice marinade. Okay, we're going to let this sit overnight, okay? But you can do it 1 to 2 hours, okay? But I'm going to let it sit overnight. I'm going to get that flavor in nicely. But you can get just as much as flavor in 1 to 2 hours, okay? We're going to do it overnight, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put this together, all right? This recipe is going to be so tasty and so flavorful, okay? All right. Okay guys, this has been in the fridge overnight. Oh, that smells delicious. Look at that, nicely marinated. Okay, for this recipe, we normally would have used 5 calamansi. Okay, but an alternative, we use this alternative. I use 1 whole lemon. My asim taste is still there. Okay, wonderful. Now keep in mind, I already prepped the onions. There's 2 parts to this onion. I took half of them and I did it this way, and the other half I did it this way. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do with these different style cuts of onions. Here's our fresh garlic. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay guys, like I told you, this portion of onion is going to be for our topping. So I already put the oil in our pan. It's nice and hot. We're going to do this step pretty quick. This is just for the topping. We don't want our onion to be overcooked, yet we want it to remain nice and crisp and add a nice sweetness. Let's go for it. In and out. Okay. Let's get that all in there. Okay. Make it nice and hot. Both sides. All right. Pan is nice and hot. Alright guys, this is it. We're going to take it out. This is all we want. We're going to put it to the side. 1 minute each side. It's quick. This is perfect. These are our toppings. Alright, we get that out of there. We're going to reserve our juices for later. Let's just pour this in here. Great. Because we want to saute this nicely. Just shake this around. Get the excess juice out the way, guys. Okay? I just use a typical strainer because the holes are nice and big. Okay, guys? We just want to get the liquid out. And we're going to reserve it. See? Alright, guys. Going to add a little oil. We're going to pan fry now. Alright. using the same pan that we got the nice onion flavors. Got all these flavors working together. So we want to put our BISTEK. Let it get nice and hot first. All right, let's add this in. Oh, this marinade is delicious. The aroma is wonderful. That smells wonderful. Lemon, fresh garlic, on both sides. Here we go. See this? This is what you want. Okay, as you can see, guys, look at the nice color we got. I'm just turning it over. You can see it got some nice color. I'm turning it over. Look at the color. Zoom in there. Look in there. Take a look at that. That's what we're doing. And then we're going to pull it out of the pan. Okay? This is wonderful. This is what we want. And then we're going to do the other ones just like this. Okay, guys? So this is what we're looking for. Look at this nice color and the flavors. Pan fried. Look at that. That's what I want. This is what we're doing here. Just turn them over. 2 minutes, 1 minute each side, just till we get this color. You see what we got? Oh, it smells delicious. Okay guys, now with the remainder of the oil using the same pan, we're going to saute our onion and garlic. Okay, we'll cook this down a little bit. Alright, got that garlic in there. Wonderful. Let's just cook this down nicely. Okay guys, this is what we want. Look at your onions. It's cooked down just the way we want it, okay? No more than this. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Let's put back in our wonderful BISTEK, okay? Spread that in nicely. It's a nice flavor, guys. Oh, it's delicious. Get that all in there nicely, okay? I'm getting it all in there. You know me and my flavors, guys. All right, spread it out nicely, okay? And now we're going to take our reserve juice. Remember our reserve juice? Let me see it. All right, this is our reserve juice. So we're going to just pour that over nicely. Get that all in there. And then we want to simmer it. We want all this to work right back in, getting our meat nice and juicy. We're going to cover that and let that simmer. And that's going to get this meat, everything nice and juicy. Okay guys, wow, look at this. We had this on for 15 minutes simmering. Look at all of those juices coming together. Oh, let's give this a nice taste. Oh man, hold on now guys. Hold on. This is juicy and tender. All the flavors are there. Got a little of the tanginess. This is delicious. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the way to go. This is delicious. BISTEK. Okay guys, here you have it. This beautiful, tasty BISTEK. Look at this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the onions that we had quickly turned over in the pan. You just top it nicely. As you can see, it gives a nice little crisp, tender taste. The nice sweetness from the onion. All right guys, this goes great with rice, either on top of rice or next to rice. This is what you want. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more and more videos to come. Maraming salamat. Until next time, this is great. Enjoy.